Here's our room, guys. 3119. Tap the card. In we go. Now we have already checked in, hence the luggage. We've had a look around the room and I have to say it's incredible. But we'll start to our left. Here is our bathroom. We have brown and black like marble top surfaces, which I really like. It's not my kind of style in terms of color, but I really like it. And these lights as well. I would never have put these in a bathroom, but they go really well. Nice big mirror, couple of glasses. We have tissues, obviously the sink. You get a few little bits here, body lotion, shower and bath accessories. That's my stuff. Laura's is underneath. You got a bin down there, a few towels, mirror for the ladies, around to your toilet, and then look at this shower. It's a walk-in shower. Again, going with that brown, black marble effect. It has 2 shower heads. One right up there and one there. Again, you have your shampoo, shower gel and conditioner all supplied for you. There's the handles, somewhere to hang your towel, and just here are 2 fresh towels for us. So I really, really like this bathroom. Like the color scheme, like the layout and the massive shower. So yeah, moving on round as we come out. We have this like wardrobe, left first, right second, plenty of room, shelves, you have a safe, a few little storage boxes here, tiny. We haven't put any stuff in here because we're only here for one night. Your coat hangers, iron and ironing board, which is really handy. Not every hotel has that. So let's shut these doors again. Have to do this one first because of the groove. Shut that one second. Now, look at this bed. Look at that. Unbelievable. Definitely the centerpiece of this bedroom. I'll give you a quick turn. Massive mirror. So when you're ready, you can check yourself out. There's all our luggage. We've just put that there for tonight. I do believe that might be storage under there. Or, no, I don't think it is actually. It's just a place where you can put your luggage, so we've done well there. Plenty of plug sockets in this room. You have some down here. You have your aircon right there. Massive wall art on the wall. This is one side of the bed. Again, plenty of plug sockets. All different types, so it's not just South African. There's ones from all around the world. I'll show you in a minute what I mean, but there's some just there. Nice big drawer, nothing in it. You have your lamp, which can be controlled from there where it says lamp switch, and master switch is these lights above the bed. Look at that massive headboard. Pillows, massive bed, as you can tell by the distance of the pillows apart, so I'm gonna get a good night's sleep. Your TV on the wall, very good size. And then this like desk area as such. I assume the ladies can get ready right there if they wish. You have a chair, a lamp, another bin under here, some more storage. Oh, there's a hairdryer in there. Okay, that's handy. Haven't been in there yet. And this is what I mean by different types. This one here is what we bought off Amazon. That is for South Africa. That is the South African adapter. So that goes in there. But next to it, you have all sorts of different ones around Europe. You got these ones, you got these ones. USBs and the new UBC maybe, I'm not sure, but that one fits the iPhone. And then your bar light just here, which controls that light up there. Nice little showpiece right there with all your glasses. You have a coffee machine, which has decaf and normal coffee, which is really good. In here is your milk, some biscuits, some sugar. It's a nice little setup. I'm not a coffee lover, but I think I will try that tomorrow morning. Your phone to phone reception, or wherever you need to get hold of. Spin you around. The other side of the bed, again, is the same as the other side. You have your switches. You have another drawer. Nice chair to chill out on if you want to watch some TV instead of laying in bed. Laura's using that for a suitcase again. On here, we have ice baby. You've got your ice, which you can go and collect. Obviously, we have none just yet. A nice little table. And then, look at these curtains. They are huge. Pretty much floor to ceiling. Very nice. We do have a tiny balcony as such, but you can't sit out there. I'll show you if I can get out. This is to lock and unlock. Let's unlock it, pull it away. There's our tiny little balcony. That, what you can hear, is the fan for the restaurant. The restaurant's just there, and the swimming pool is just through there. We have been there already. Very nice swimming pool. And I think there was just us and maybe one or two others around the pool. This is their winter, but for us, it's pretty much our summer. It is 24 degrees today. Yeah, pretty cool view. Head on back in. See the room from another angle. And for me, this was well worth the money. It was like 6 minutes from the airport, 3 miles, I think. £220, I think, for this room with breakfast, which I thought was pretty good. And yeah, I love it. We're gonna have a great night's sleep. And then tomorrow morning, we are flying to our safari from Johannesburg Airport, which is about an hour's shuttle ride on a diddy little plane. Gives me Jurassic Park vibes, which I'm not looking forward to, but that's another story. So if you did enjoy this little room tour, then please drop a like. If you have any questions or comments about the room, then please let us know. But for now, we'll see you guys in the next one.